We're back for letter sounds and words. Today we're going to be working a little bit more with our digraphs. Remember, digraphs are when two letters or more get together and they create a new sound. They don't blend together, they actually create a totally different sound. Like CH becomes ch instead of k. It becomes ch. Okay? So here we go. We're going to start with our letter names and sounds, then we'll go into our blends, digraphs, and trigraphs. Starting with, upside down. Starting with, letter is T, sound is T. Letter is G, sound is G. Letter is S, sound is S. Letter is Q, sound is Qua. Letter is O, sounds are Ah and O. Letter is H, sound is H. Letter is Y, sound is Y. Letter is N, sound is N. Letter is M, sound is M. Letter is L, sound is L. Letter is U, sounds are and U. Letter is R, sound is Letter is W, sound is W. Letter is P, sound is P. Letter is C, sound is K. Letter is V, sound is V. Letter is X, sound is X. Letter is D, sound is D. Letter is F, sound is F. Letter is I, sounds are I and I. Letter is J, sound is J. Letter is E, sounds are E and E. Letter is Z, sound is Z. Letter is A, sounds are A and A. Letter is B, sound is B. And letter is K, sound is K. Now, blends, digraphs, and trigraphs. Starting with SW, swa, swing. ST, st, star. SK, sk, skunk. CL, cool, clock. SC, sk, scooter. TR, tur, truck. SP, sp, spoon. DR, dur, drum. WH, whale. GR, grasshopper. SCR, scream. BR, bread. SN, snake. SM, smile. FL, full, flower. TW, 12. SQU, square. FR, frog. CH, chick. PH, phone. THR, three. SH, sheep. GL, globe. CR, crayons. SPL, splash. BL, blue. PL, play. SL, slide. SHR, Shrek. PR, present. SPR, spring. TH, 13. And STR, strawberry. Let's get into our rhymes. We're going to do our rhymes just like we did last week. I'm going to say the end of a word, which is called the rhyme. You're going to put on a beginning sound to make a new one. I'm going to give you the rhyme, listen to you, and then give you a couple examples. Let's see what you guys can get, and I'll tell you what I got. Here we go. First one is ale. Sail. Mail. Next one is I'd. Side. Tried. Good. Okay, moving into our beginning sounds, we're going to be listening for some digraphs at the beginning. I'm going to say 3 words and slide them. You tell me what all 3 words start with. Here we go. Cheese. Change. Chime. Should. Shine. Shower. Thick. Thump. Thaw. while, why, where, wha, those, that, then. Good. Here we go. I'm going to pull all the sounds apart. You guys are going to tell me what the word is and put it back together. I can't pull apart the digraphs, so that's a new sound. Here we go. B, e, ch. Bench. Sh, I, t. Shift. Sh, a, k, shaker. Ch, a, k, e. Chunky. That's how I like my peanut butter. I, k, s. Thickness. W, I, s, p, whisper. S, e, o, f, I, sh. Selfish. W, e, f, weather. I think it's going to be sunny out today. I, s, t, w, a, ch. Wristwatch. And ch, I, o, d, I, sh. Childish. Okay, we're going to go in and we're going to find where the digraph is. We've done this before where we were finding the blend in the beginning, in the middle of the word, or at the end of a word. Today we're going to find the digraph. Where is it hiding? Beginning, middle, or end. Here we go. Shadow. Shadow. Sh is at the beginning. Chicken. Chicken. Ch is at the beginning. Without. Without is in the middle. Much. Sorry. Much. Much is at the end. Foolish. Foolish is at the end. Dashing. Dashing is in the middle. Thumping. Thumping is at the beginning. Cloth. Cloth is at the end. Lunchroom. Lunchroom is in the middle. And last one, eyelash. Eyelash is at the end. Okay, put your gum in, chew it up. I'm going to say the word and we're going to pull it all out. There are going to be some digraphs in there. It's just another sound. Here we go. First one is crunch. Crunch. Shrink. Shrink. China. China. Breathe. Breathe. Shapes. Shapes. Shadow. 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 Friend. 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 Bashful. B-a-sh-f-a-ol. Bashful. Chicken. Ch-I-k-e-n. Chicken. And cheesecake. Ch-e-z-k-a-k. Cheesecake. One of my son's favorites. Okay, time to change things up. Again, we're going to change something new. We're going to change that vowel sound that's in the middle. Okay? So we're going to change that from a short vowel sound, the sound the vowels make, to a long vowel sound, which is the sounds of the letters that are the vowels. Here we go. Grad. Change a to a. Grade. Kit. Change I to I. Kite. Fell. Change e to e. Feel. Rod. Change a to o. Road. Tim. Change I to I. Time. Dim. Change I to I. Dime. Tub. Change to U. Tube. Brad. Change a to a. Braid. Met. Change e to e. Meet. And cut. Change to u. Cute. Good job. Okay, I'm going to give you the end of the word. I'm going to give you a digraph to start it with. Tell me what the word is. Here we go. I'm. Add ch to the beginning. Chime. In. Add ch. Chin. Or. Add ch. Chore. Arc. Add sh. Shark. Art. Add ch. Chart. Air. Add ch. Chair. Apes. Add sh. Shapes. Aid. Add sh. Shade. Out. Add sh. Shout. And owl. Add wa. While. Good job. Now I'm going to give you the word. I'm going to take away that beginning digraph. Tell me what's left. Here we go. Chair. Take away ch. Air. Chart. Take away ch. Art. Cheek. Take away ch. Eek. Shelf. Take away sh. Elf. Shore. Take away sh. Or. Chin. Take away ch. In. Shapes. Take away sh. Apes. Shade. Take away sh. Aid. Shark. Take away sh. Arc. And sheet. Take away sh. Eat. It's time for our nursery rhymes. This week, it's what are our favorites, okay? We're going to review the ones we've been doing recently, and then on Friday, we'll figure out which one we want to do all together. So today's is Mary, Mary, Quite Contrary. You guys remember it? I hope so. Here we go. Let's go ahead and say Mary, Mary, Quite Contrary all together. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Great job, you guys. I'll see you later.